It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my Valentine's Day special edition. Hey guys, ready to be creative? Come on in as I share with you how to make these decorated strawberries. So if you're ready to get started, let's go. Starting off with my super white Merkins candy melts, applying 2 tablespoons of Paramount crystals and melting them for 30-second intervals. Applying the skewers to your already cleaned strawberries to help with the dipping process. Now here I'm adding some more candy melts and milk chocolate and red chocolate to create this design. You want to take your strawberry and dip, and after dipping you want to apply the other melted candy melts to the wet chocolate to create this effect. Now here I'm showing you one technique where I am adding so much chocolate to this strawberry where you're going to see the design is too close or you can barely tell what it is. Now here I'm going to just apply one color to show you the effect of the design. And you want to go back and forth, and this have to be a wet to wet technique to create this effect. And you want to take a toothpick and go horizontally, do some horizontal strokes up and down the strawberry until you see this wonderful and beautiful design be created. Now here I'm going to go over the process again, and I am spreading out my drizzle so that you can see how well the design is being created. And again, doing the horizontal strokes up and down the strawberry and try to separate it apart as much as you can so that you can see this created effect. Now with this strawberry, I'm going to apply the drizzle, separating the lines, spacing them out a little bit more. And now I'm adding lesser of the milk chocolate so that you can see the effect or the design from the first strawberry that I did. It don't look so close together. So this is a great technique, and I'm going to finish dipping so I can do the other designs. Now I'm using my favorite chocolate chameleon in the color pink to color the strawberries, and I love this pink. And you guys, I will leave the links in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So I'm starting to create the other designs, and these are going to be beautiful. So you got to check them out and check out the next clips and see what I do with these beautiful strawberries. With my next design, I'm using some extra candy melts and applying them to this rose mold, and you want to place it in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Now here with these strawberries, I am dipping my beautiful color that I love. I'm dipping these strawberries to create a gold color effect on them, and then I'm going to use my rose and apply them to the beaded, sprinkled strawberries. Now you want to apply a small amount of your candy melts to adhere the roses, and that's what you see me doing here. Just apply them, let them sit to dry, and then move on to your next design. So here I'm going to be using an edible gold leaf, and I'm also using some paper portion to help with the application. So I spread just a little mist onto the strawberry and then applied the leaf, and using a brush to break it up to create this separated gold effect. Now here I wanted to share a nice, cute, and affordable packaging with you guys. And you guys, you can get these little boxes off of Amazon, and they come in 12 or 16 in a pack. And let me tell you, these are amazing. All right, so I'm applying staples to the side, so just to secure the package. But as you see here, they're nice, cute, adding some shredded tissue, throwing some extra Valentine candy to the box. But let me tell you how these can be great for your clients if you're selling them, or just for a quick treat to a loved one. But I would sell these for $25 per box, just FYI. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in what?